here, so you can record Figma Prototype easily by doing the simple steps that I'm gonna show you in this video. Make sure you watch this video till the end. So first of all, make sure you have enabled your screen recorder, cause Figma doesn't have any screen recorder option for now, but there are many ways that you can record your prototype. So first of all, if you have a NVIDIA graphic card just like me, you just have to go to NVIDIA settings, and after going to settings, just go to in-game overlay and go to settings, and you'll see this. Just press ESC and you'll see recording option, and as y'all can see, I'm currently recording right now. But you can either turn this on by just clicking on it, and you can customize the keys to record it. So for me it's Alt F9, but let's say you got an AMD graphics card. So how do you record on that? Just simply access Radeon recording options by right click on the desktop and select AMD Radeon software. And here's a preview picture to show you all how you can do this. So as you all can see, it says instant replay and record desktop. So yeah, but let's say you don't have graphic card and you're recording on your laptop, and your laptop doesn't support any graphic card. So we just simply go over here and install an extension called Loom. You can get Loom in Chrome Web Store. This one, it says Loom Screen Recorder and Screen Capture. Just go and press Add to Chrome and add extension. So it's checking for me now, and it's downloading. There we have it. It's downloaded. It's just now adding. There you go. Now it's asking me for sign up. You just do the sign up process by yourself. But after that, when you have done the Loom process, or you got the graphics card, just go to Figma, and you can pretty much record anything you want. After that, you can either record prototypes or any Figma work. So yeah, that's basically it on how you can record Figma Prototype. So yeah, I hope I helped you guys out. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Until then, peace out.